FlyRoute launches service partner program to foster entrepreneurship and national expansion. FlyRoute, a leading drone service provider for athletics, has announced the launch of its service partner program. This initiative will empower entrepreneurs by offering them the opportunity to own a FlyRoute service territory, marking the company's first steps towards national expansion. FlyRoute has carved a niche in the drone film services sector, primarily serving athletic programs in Colorado. The company's unique and efficient approach to delivering drone film has led to consistent growth, with an increase of 30% or more each year. It has also created seasonal contracted jobs for over 65 FAA-rated drone pilots. Collin Caffrey, founder and president of FlyRoute, expressed his enthusiasm for the program, stating, "I'm very excited to equip other driven business leaders with the tools to succeed in their own drone business and, with our support, shortcut their path to success." Caffrey reflected on his journey, from purchasing his first drone in 2017 with the hope of building a successful business, to now owning and operating a fleet of more than 45 drones. He highlighted the company's impact, supporting over 550 sporting events each year and providing a predictable revenue stream. While drone film is primarily used for coaching in athletic programs, Caffrey noted its increasing use in college and professional recruiting, professional broadcasting, and analysis by sports officials. FlyRoute's largest customer base currently comprises high school football programs, but the company plans to expand its offerings to collegiate and professional levels and other sports such as lacrosse, soccer, and rugby. Caffrey concluded, "We are searching for entrepreneurs who are committed to working hard and implementing best practices to build and scale a thriving drone business of their own." The application period for the Service Partner Program opened on January 3, 2024, and will close on March 1, 2024. FlyRoute's mission is to equip visionary athletic programs to win more by utilizing drone technology. The company employs only FAA-rated, highly trained, and experienced drone pilots, and is fully insured and FAA compliant. Since 2017, FlyRoute has flown over 1,850 sporting events for 85 teams without accident or incident.